Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Mamelodi Sundowns have unveiled their new Puma home kit for the 2026-27 campaign. Masanda Wana and the Global Sports Company have a long-standing partnership since 2016, which marks a 10-year relationship and is said to be the largest technical sponsorship deal in Puma South Africa's history. The Brazilians are currently in Austria for their pre-season tour after already beginning their preparations with training sessions in Pretoria. Today, they have unveiled their kit to the club's faithful and the broader football community. Here is a statement. It says, "An iconic look returns with the new home kit, a design rooted in the club's identity while remaining a historic kit from the 1994. This modern interpretation pays tribute to the proud legacy of Mamelodi Sundowns, while symbolizing the club's progress and ambitions for the future. As was the case in 1994, the new home kit features a yellow shirt, blue shorts, and white socks, while the finer details inspired by the 1994 jersey are popping red Puma logos and distinctive thin green stripes on the collar. The jersey also has a subtle, debossed yellow stripes, the club said via a statement. And Brad Bellinger of Puma South Africa marketing director said, "Mamelodi Sundowns and Puma have formed a formidable team over the past decade. And with the new kit, we wanted to honor and celebrate all the players who have contributed to the club's successful legacy. It is fitting that this shine on Masanda Wana kit will be the first to feature a second star, marking the club's latest CAF Champions League win. More evidence that with Masanda Wana, the sky is the limit." Those are the words of Puma South Africa marketing director. Now, supporters can purchase the two official versions of the kit, the authentic player's shirt for 2,399 rands, as worn by players on the pitch, or the replica for men and women for 1,299, and the replica for kids is 1,199 rands. Available at Puma retail stores, puma.com, JD Sports, Total Sports, Sportsman's Warehouse, and Studio 88. Those are the details of the kit. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this home kit that Mamelodi Sundowns have unveiled? How do you rate this kit out of 10? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.